Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM memory on the Lenovo V15 G2 ITL portable computer, which is the new model from Lenovo, because if the memory has failed or you want to add more memory to the computer, I will show you how to do it and the limitations of the memory slots that this computer has. We'll have to turn the computer around, but first subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. To open the computer, you need to remove the screws. To unhook all the tabs, if you have difficulty doing this, I have a video on the channel showing how to open this computer without damaging anything, showing where are all the tabs that you have to unhook. It's not difficult, I've already removed the screws and unhook everything. I just have to take off the cover and we reveal the inside of the computer. The memory of this computer is here, and it only has one memory slot that we can change. This computer comes with this metal cover that covers the memory, which is not soldered, it is just attached with 8 small metal things that holds it. And you just have to pull it. It may be stuck, but try and pull it out, and it reveals the computer memory slot. It is not soldered, just pull the metal tabs on the sides that hold it, and the memory module is released and lifts. And then just pull to remove it, just like this. You remove the memory module. And we can only replace one memory module on this computer. To repair or upgrade the memory, you just have to put a new module here again. That's only one memory slot. You can only put one. If you want to add another 16 GB or 32 GB, you can only replace one additional module. And we see that the memory slot connector is for the DDR4 standard. So it's only compatible with this memory standard. Then, when you have the new memory module, you will have to put it in the correct position. We can see the groove on the memory module connector. If you turn it upside down, you can see that the grooves do not match. The groove is on this side and the groove on the slot module is on this side. So it doesn't fit. There's only one way to fit. Having the memory module in the correct position, you just have to fit it into the connectors on the motherboard and gently push it in until you hear a click. When it clicks, it's locked. So that's how you replace or upgrade a memory module on this laptop. First, insert it on the connectors, then push it on the sides and it's properly seated. Very easy to do this repair or upgrade of RAM memory. In this case, you can only replace one memory module because it only has one slot for DDR4 memory. And that's how you do it on this laptop, on the Lenovo V15 G2 ITL. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check the other videos about this computer on the channel, and now subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you have any questions about this computer or about RAM memories for portable computers, write in the comments.